It's only senatorial, House of Reps and Assembly that is left for subsidiary legislation like an electoral act. So INEC developed this section paragraph 100 to address issues where election being inconclusive, they cannot determine whether a winner has emerged. But it's sometimes often applied indiscriminately both to governorship, presidential, and legislative houses. But a jurisprudence is developing now that since the Constitution has been clear about what you require to score to become a governor, a subsidiary instrument like electoral act or regulation should not override the Constitution. So I think that is where Section 24, which deals with the issue of inconclusive election and INEC decision about whether to return or not, would then be identified, analyzed against Section 179(2) of the Constitution. So let's wait and see how the Supreme Court addresses the issue.
The people of Ogun State voted for His Excellency Prince Dapo Abiodun as the Governor of Ogun State. The tribunal affirmed it, the Court of Appeal affirmed it, and it was very evident from what we heard that the Supreme Court will affirm that judgment. The arguments for the appellant was very weak, and in fact, at the end, it was slightly hilarious, where the case that he used as an example, the case of Faleke and the case of Faleke and INEC that he used to reference and support his case, was clearly shown by our counsel, Chief Olanipe. They lost that argument in Faleke's case, so they will lose that argument again. Why would you use a losing argument to defend a case? It just shows how weak their case is. So I want to thank our counsel, right from the Electoral Tribunal till today, for a job well done, what they have done to make sure that...
So, have you watched the assessment today? How would you assess this proceedings today?
Just wait.
Yes, how would you assess the proceedings today? How have you watched it so far?
I've told you what has happened today. I just want to thank our counsel for all they have done for us, and also to say that our confidence in the judiciary in this country is very high. They have done what is right, they have held the rule of law, and they are not being used by spurious appellants to change the will of the people. The will of the people has been upheld to date, and we are sure that the Supreme Court will also uphold the will of the people. Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.